G-L-A-N-O-R-O-U-S, yeah, G-L-A.
been a minute since I seen the daylight. Can't get out of bed and it ain't right. Demons in my head, I don't wanna fight, don't know what to do. Anything is better than a Sunday night. Wake up on a Monday and
So this is what my face is looking like. I left my contour kit by accident, so I don't have anything to contour, but I tried. Yeah, it's not the best makeup, but this is the best I could do. I'm gonna pick out an outfit, get dressed. I already flat ironed my hair, so it's just to let it out. I did wrap it so it have a little bit more straight look. Welcome to a new vlog, guys. So today we're, as you can see, we got ready together, and then we're gonna go shopping. We're gonna go get some stuff, some essentials that I really need. So yeah, and you know, of course, I'm gonna take you guys with me. So I'll show you once my outfit is ready and what I am wearing. So we'll talk soon. Bye. Alright, so this is what I'm wearing. This top from Fashion Nova and some jeans from Fashion Nova. I've had this a while now in 1X. So let me get dressed and show you guys.
Anything is better than a Sunday night. Wake up on a Monday and I hate my life. Going through the motions and I'm trying to survive on my own, my own, my own, my own. She said I was crazy and I thought we were friends. I was just the anyone I barely began. Now everyone is leaving, so I guess that I am on my own, my own, my own, my own.
Like, the crown of my head is so short. Like, I have to work around it, but outside of that, everything else is good. I'll still show you guys the outfit. Still getting ready. I'll be with you guys soon. Alright, so this is the outfit. Shades, top from Fashion Nova. These sandals, I really bought some heels to wear with this outfit, but me and I walk up and down in heels all day. Bag, bracelet, arm candy is looking real cute. Like, I might get rid of the glasses, not sure, who knows, but my outfit looks good. I really like this one, guys.
Play with them red, yeah. Hey, still playing, yeah. Probably 10,
I'm in Chanel now, but I can't find the sneakers that I want, so I have to settle for something else. So I'm just like, you know, shopping around to see if I can find something else that I would like. But yeah, I'll let you guys know what I end up getting. I said black. They say this one.
GLAMOROUS, yeah. GLAMOROUS. We flying first class up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I won't change by the glamorous. Ooh, flousy, flousy, the glamorous. The glamorous, glamorous by the glamorous. Ooh, flousy, flousy, the glamorous. The glamorous, glamorous by the glamorous. Ooh, flousy, flousy. Golden diamond rings, all them things don't mean a thing. Rooms and limousines, shopping for expensive things. I be on the movie screens, magazines and bougie scenes. I'm not clean, I'm not pristine, I'm no queen, I'm no machine. I still go to Taco Bell, drive through Rose Hill. I don't care, I'm still real, no matter how many records I sell. After the show, after the Grammys, I like to go cool out with the family, sipping, reminiscing on days when I had a Mustang. And now I'm first class up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life.
Number 2, I really love this one. So I'm at the Dior cafe. I was, you know, shopping earlier, and then now it's evening, so the sun is going down. I just want to grab some tea, coffee, and then head to get some dinner. I'm gonna go to get a pair of shoes. So lots of you guys will like it, but I like it. So I got me some shoes from Flight Club. The day is over and I'm gonna get food. I think we're going to Little Havana now for food, and that's it for Miami Design District. This restaurant now in Little Havana, and it's a Cuban restaurant, and it's called Versalles. I'm gonna get some Cuban food. So once I get the food, I'll show it to you. Once I get the food, I'll show it to you guys. But it's pretty packed, as you can see. And let me show you what the menu looks like. So yeah, this is what the menu looks like. Pretty affordable, if you should ask me. The prices are looking good. Alright, that's it for today. I am back in. I am super exhausted. Now I forgot to wipe off face, wrap ear, I don't know what to do, and take a shower. So I'm gonna close out today's vlog. And I hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me, shopping with me. And I didn't do much talking. Of course, I'm gonna do a sit down haul for you guys with the stuff that I got. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And what else, if it's, I don't know. Yeah, I'm tired. So yeah, until next time, babies, take care. Bye.